Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush the Discovery Boss. And welcome back to Rush for more reviews. So yes, we're back at Port Royal Street for the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment Project, where they're building a seawall. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. So turn that gray subscribe button to red. Remember to like the video as well. Share and leave a comment. And if you want to donate to the channel to go towards purchasing a drone and better equipment, it's completely optional. We have PayPal and other ways where you can donate. So we're doing an update on this project. It's a Jamaica 950 million project to reinforce the coastline. They're going to create a boardwalk and a fishing area as well. So the project is on the way. Now they have closed on one side of the road. So I know that they're going to have to fix back this roadway when they're finished. So it's only one side is operational now. I'll put the link for the first video I did, which was like a month ago, so you guys can see where we're coming from. So the seawall over this side is now up. So this is where they're starting from. And they're going straight down to close to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. That's the new building down there. It's on the left, the one on the most extreme left. So right out here will look very nice when they're finished. And we have Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. I know most of the subscribers and viewers are saying and are agreeing that this prison should be relocated because it's prime real estate, and then this entire real estate transform into a community, a gated community, a beachfront villa or some mega apartment complex. Again, continue sharing your thoughts, guys. I'm gonna go along the roadway, show you guys bits and pieces of the progress so far. I'll put both the first video and second video in the description and in the comments. Remember to share, guys, so more persons can see, more Jamaicans can see the great developments that are happening. I know a lot of my viewers are overseas as well, so I appreciate the support and continue sharing and liking, guys. And the more you share, like, and comment is the more YouTube recommend to other new watchers so that they can join the channel. So I appreciate you guys, and let's take a walk along Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment Project. Alright, I guess this is some bridge of some sort. The wall seems to be at least 6 feet, but I guess when they pack back the dirt, it will be about, say, 3 feet, 4 feet above ground. So they're protecting the shoreline, creating a seawall to break the waves. So I guess this was an underground waterway. Underground drain. So they're rebuilding this. So it's a mixture of boulders, a mixture of concrete structure. So they pack the boulders first. So that's the first barrier, and then the concrete seawall to break the waves. And again, Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. The guards on duty in their towers. Alright, so this is the other end where they're starting the seawall. So the concrete is very thick. Alright guys, so it's very windy, so apologies for the instability of the camera and the heavy wind. But again guys, leave your comments, leave your thoughts, leave your opinions. So this is sidewalk that has collapsed. You know, the land is totally eroding right here. So again, you see the need for such a project because the land is totally giving way to the ocean.